Hola and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne.
Today we've cycled down to Playa de Los Locos, previously called Playa del Salaret, which is one of the central city beaches here in Torrevieja.
It's Wednesday, the 26th of October. What time is it? It's about 1 o'clock and it's 28 degrees. It's really still very warm. Now this large building behind us, it's a landmark that everybody knows when they see coming up towards this beach. They look at that and they say, there it is, we're at the Playa de Los Locos. But that building was built at the beginning of the 20th century and it was originally built as a psychiatric centre known as Sanitorio del Carmen, but known locally as the Asylum.
The beach name was then changed from Playa del Salaret to Playa de Los Locos, which means Beach of the Crazy Ones.
Look, they've got a wheelchair area, just like they have in Benidorm and like they have in the other beaches.
Yeah.
Hopefully people have just got the chairs on and somebody comes on with a wheelchair, they'll move, won't they?
Yeah. There's quite a few people swimming.
There is. I'm not surprised, it's that hot.
There's no wind today at all,
No, there's no wind.
Tiny little breeze.
Totally windless.
Which you normally get off the sea.
Yeah. Sun's hot.
That sun is hot, yeah.
Even in the UK today, it's you know, it should be about 12 degrees during the day, and in London they're expected to get to 22.
That's hot, isn't it? This time of year.
In October.
In the end of October as well.
Yeah. But it's a very nice beach. Is it 760 metres?
It's long. It's 760 metres long. There's plenty of these benches to sit on.
Yeah, nice as well. Nice and Mexican, Indian.
Pizza. And cocktail.
Pizza place, yeah. The Ibiza bar. That's two Indians together, is it the same place? One's called Fresco Food, International Indian Restaurant.
Two places.
There's another one called El Sabor. Yeah.
Steaks. Pizza place.
Yeah. So from here to go to the sort of centre of Torrevieja, it's probably about a mile. It's not that far, we just go around that corner and we're back into the next beach, which is called Playa del Cura.
Playa del Cura.
Because it's sort of a bit rocky between, there's like a rocky area, which is really nice. And you can sit out there, and people do sit on that part of the coast, on the chairs, and it's not very sandy, it's rocky for about, I don't know, a couple of 100 yards, and then it goes back to Playa del Cura beach. And it's a lovely walk, and they've redone all that pathway. It's all been paved. I think it was the year before last they did it.
Was it last year?
It might have been last year,
I think it was last year. These railings are all nicely pastel coloured painted.
Yeah.
They just hold it like that.
With the ramp to go down. What's at the end of that one? Anything?
Yeah, there's a ramp. Somewhere to wash your feet.
Some water.
Wash your smelly feet when you come out at sea. Get all them crabs off. There's a nice little beach bar. Gloria Beach Bar.
Gloria Beach Bar.
Playa de Los Locos.
Little play area there for kids.
Aye.
Couple of slides.
Couple of slides.
You want to have a go?
No,
Don't want to show yourself up.
well, I don't know what I'd do on it, to be honest. If I sat on that slide, I wouldn't be able to get off. My ass would get wedged in the middle.
Coming to the end.
We're up to the end now.
Into the curve.
They look nice bikes, don't they? Look at them. Have they got pedals for the scooters? Or they seem to be just going, don't they? Shall we get some? Let's have a good look at them. Ooh, look at that.
Motors. Yeah, they're a bit nifty, aren't they? But you won't be able to carry them upstairs.
Bees knees, them, are they?
Yeah.
No pedalling required as you're getting older in life. I'd love a couple of them, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Bet they're expensive. Torrevieja train. Do you think it goes to La Mata?
Well, we saw it coming from the other side there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, look how far we've walked.
Yeah.
It's about a mile, that. So there we are, Los Locos Beach. Very, very nice beach. 760 metres long, and always very busy. Quite busy in October. Right, so we're at the end of Los Locos Beach now. We're going to cycle across just to show you how far it is from the end of Los Locos Beach to the beginning of Playa del Cura Beach. We're going to go on the pathway and just show you how far it is. And this is a lovely area. I love this paved area. There's no beach here, it's quite a bit rocky, but still a lovely place to sit. And if you come here first thing in the morning, you'll see a lovely sunrise over the sea. Hello!
It is!
You all right?
Hi, nice,
all right?
nice meeting you.
Hi, nice to see you.
Thank you.
All right, yeah, on Friday. We're on Friday.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye.
Well, that's nice. We got our journey was just partially broken there by Dave from Barnsley and Torrevieja, who just recognised us and had a little chat. So we're just coming down now into Torrevieja and the Playa del Cura beach, just round this corner. So you can see how close it is to Playa de Los Locos. And here we are, we're just going to come around this corner now and we'll be in Playa del Cura beach. In it or on it? Would you be in it or would you be on it?
On it.
You'd be on it, would you? If you'd go straight over this cliff, you'd be in it though, wouldn't you?
You'd be in it, well and truly.
If you went straight forward, you would then be in it. So here we are, Playa del Cura. Here we are at the Luth de Mar, on what's known as we've told you before, the beach of the crazy ones.
Yeah, and I bet you feel right at home, don't you?
I do. Although I would feel a bit better if they called it the beach of the lazy ones.
Or even beach of the lazy crazy ones.
Yeah, I'd go along with that.
Yeah, sounds good.
Well, on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
Bing!
Bing!
Adios.